golden indigo kiss.
On the farm we feed a pig, rolling round in mud so big, snorting loud with all his might, happy in the morning light. Horsey trots and neighs all day, eating hay and loves to play, galloping through fields so wide, graceful with a joyful stride. Farm friends all around, making every sound, moo, oink, neigh, and tweet. Life here is so sweet. Sheep they bleat and munch on grass in the meadow as you pass, woolly coats and peeking eyes, gentle like the morning skies. Little birdie chirps and flies, singing songs across the skies, tiny wings that flap so fast, joyful tunes that always last. Farm friends all around, making every sound, moo, oink, neigh, and tweet. Life here is so sweet.
Don't forget to subscribe.